Today discuss about I'm creating for one blogger how to add the alt tag, header tags, and anchor text. How to add the alt tag, anchor text, and header tags. See here on blogger only. So here, this is my blogger. I'm adding with the alt tag for this image. Suppose if you go to the website, that is we can add by the C panel. Now blogger is that with the process with my image. I'm going to wear blogger dashboard. Select your particular domain. The option called is post. Why? This is called my home page. Home page is called post option. Now click for edit. If add the alt tag, what is that? Alt tag. Alt tag nothing but image specific name. Now here, just select image. What option call is properties. What is that? Title list and alt text. What is my title test is website promotion. Then this is my image alt tag. Click for save. Website. You can go to the C panel. You can go to the page source. You can add by alt is equal to image name. See here. Just click the image. Okay. What is that? HTML. What is the image source? JPG. You can't find out. PNG. This is my image. What's the title here? What I give the image, previous name. Website promotion tips is updated by backend. Same like that. Just update. Now just go to here. Or second option. Video tutorial. Just click. Already is there. Yes. Just what the link is. How to promote your website on Google. Just go to your pages. Edit. Compose. Click. Or that properties. So we are writing simple here. Better to write. Video. Sorry. How to promote website. Is it clear? Now click for update. It's simple. I can go to the page option. Take the page. Option called is properties. I'm writing for title list and alt text. Title list purpose is for website purpose. Alt text purpose is image for understand by the search engines. If anybody go to the search engines, if I'm clicking this link, how to promote website on Google, just go to images. Here our image will be showing here. See this. Same like that. Yeah, nothing but my promotion with my images, my website or my blog, maybe my YouTube also. Here one process will be there. We can discuss about the image marketing time. The alt tag will help for the where image marketing time. That is we can use it. The one option is called image optimization. How will we promote your brand using with the Google images? How to promote your website or how to promote your video using with your Google images. Suppose your favorite for the one celebrity, searching for celebrity name, they come in a lot of images for celebrity images. Is it clear? So if you click the image, they're going to where the particular website. Who will promote that website name? By alt tag, we can use it by image optimization. So alt tag is very important from the any websites. If you not using for alt tag for particular image, that is called error. You have 100 images. Every image specific for one name. Image SRC is equal double quote. We can use the image extension JPG, PNG or GIF. But art is equal. The name will be indicated by the backend. But blog is very easy. What is the option call is? Just click edit. Select your image. Properties. Website. promotion tips. Now click for publish. These are very important. So this is called alt tag. Second option, what is that? Header tag. Suppose you have to add the heading. Where? Just go to post. Now click. So I have to add this one heading. How to add the H1 and H2? First option, just copy this one. Just go where? HTML here. Just look the code here. H1 open, H1 close. Now previous how much size will be checking the home page. Previous. Now update. Now refresh. Previous small letter now will be capital letter. This is called H1 tag. So how to find H1 is accept or not? Just go to space source, Control U, check for Control F, H1. So they're showing all. It's better like this. See. Where I'm changing for dashboard is updated by where? Backend source code. What is that? H1. Suppose I don't knowledge for the backend HTML knowledge. Just click. Okay. Just go to compose. Here. Just scroll down. Website marketing tips. Okay. Select here. Previous I'm going to where? HTML part. Now select. Sorry. What is that? Heading, subheading, minor heading and normal. H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. I'm clicking for what is that? Heading. Careful watch. I'm clicking for what is that? Heading. Just Control C. Here. H2, H3, H4, H5. Now update. So here. Refresh. Just wait for a second. See. See here. Refresh. What is that? H. Something hide here. Don't worry. Tell you what is why you doing hide. H1. Now what is that? H2. We will find out. Backend refresh. So we can write by two process. One is called edit here, but here not accept for the H1 tag. How to write H1 tag? Go to HTML, select the keyword writing for H1 like this. This is called heading tags. For a website, how many tags are needed? Only for one heading tag. Is it clear? H1, H2, H3, H4, H5. H1 is called your website name. Maybe your targeted keyword name. Highlighted keyword name. What is the highlighted keyword is? Website promotion tips. Is it clear? This is called H1. That is called anchor tag. Sorry, header tag. Total 6 will be there. H1 to H6. So just scroll down. The footer H5 and H6. Normal text. Is it clear? H5 and H6. First I finished for all tag. Second I finished for the header tag. Now we'll see anchor text. So what is that name is? Home. What is that? What is that? Video tutorial. Tips and video tutorial. Just go here. So wait for a second. Update here. Previous. Now click for pages. Look careful. Watch. Go to tips and remove the title. Update. What's showing here? No title. Reason is the anchor text, no name. So anchor is indicated by the name. Yes or no? Just here. And go to here. Click for updates. The tips. Just refresh and refresh. Tips page. We'll check you. We can find out your tips page also here. Here search one by one page. So they're showing by this page here. Suppose you can search just Control C for your URL. Just go to your what's the name? Name indicated by anchor text. Every anchor text we can use a specific name. No name nothing but no title. That is called A space href is equal double quotes link. Code will be closed. Name end with end code and A. This is the syntax. If we write down place syntax here like this, I'm using notepad here. This is the syntax. A href is equal double quotes link. Your link nothing but your website link and name of your anchor text. Finish with your end tag A. The syntax. So don't forget the syntax here. End with the A. A nothing but anchor text. I show the blogger here also here. Take one example, it's better to understanding for blogger. What is that? Anything change? Website, name, end with the A. Is it clear? This we can add by your task is how many email will be missing for alt tag, how many missing for H1, H1 is there or not. So how many H1 tags will be there in my website? We check the using with the UD and toolbar and iWeb CHK. These two website will be using with the complete credential. If you need to you don't know the website URL. Famous website is called, write down smallseo.tools.com. If you check the all website information, smallseo.tools.com. Don't write down the mistakes. This is a website. This website we check the all reports about the website. Page rank checkers, everything will be available. See that. Smallseo.tools.com. Just scroll down here. Here. This is all mistakes. So we're writing for where we write the mistakes. How many guys will be missing for the more than 70 characters? We all check the here. We'll check header tags, anchor text, missing for names. Second thing is called header tags. H1, how many use by H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. We'll check find out by the SEO on page title, characters, description and keywords. Yes. These are all options. So checking purpose here, website SEO, score checker. Yes. Is that clear? This is called small SEO tools.com. They give the blogger report, website report, anything. Is that clear? This is called checking for all for SEO on page information. Along with the title, total how many topics? 11 topics. On page for SEO title, description, keyword, canonical form, and alt tag, anchor text, alt tag, and we discuss about the activation for the XML sitemap and robo.txt. Is it clear? There is a webmaster activation, analytics activation, and redirections. So clear? This video you can create by the header tags and alt tag and anchor text using with the blogger.